the Lab Squad room tour.
Oh yeah. Come on in.
We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Hey Lab Squad, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, and this will be my crib for the weekend. Guys, it's my birth month and you know we're doing it. Guys, we've been in the pandemic for over a year now, so I am very excited whenever we get the chance to leave our houses and go out. And of course that's why y'all watch the video, because you all live here yard too. So I'm going to be showing you my room tour. We are at the Hess Hotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica, in the Caribbean, on planet Earth. You don't know how the thing go.
Let's go.
So Lab Squad, once you come in, you have right here your key card. Of course, you know we're eco-friendly. This is what powers the building. So once you take it out, when you're leaving, the light is off. AC off. You get the picture. We also have a light switch. Also have a button right here that you can choose which one you want, privacy, service. Alright, so once you come in, you are greeted with a hallway. And then once you open this door, which is the first door on your left, you are greeted with El Baño, the bathroom. Guys, it's so nice and spacious. So right here, we have the toilet. You have your own room and space just in case you're sharing with anyone. So you know that, you have your privacy. You can contain the odor. As you can see, this is a lot of space. So you can do what you have to do. So when we come out, we have our shower, or should I say showers?
Showers a blessing.
So when you come in the shower, you have the choice of either the left or the right. So come on in, Lab Squad, come on in. We have our rain shower head. We have our shower knobs right here. You have your, there's no other things there. We also have our handheld. It passed the test, guys. It passed the test. It never dropped. It really nice. Guys, we're not done yet. We have our drinks. Look past here. Over here we have another rain shower head. Yay! Alright, and then we're not finished. I really love this mural that's right here. And then to top it off, we have another shower head up here. Really nice. They didn't have to put it there. They really got all out. So guys, if you want to lay down, the rain not turn on, but you can lay down and be, because someone are lazy. I know. But guys, it's really nice. Woo! It's really nice. I really love the place. So when you finish bed, you have your towel for your little thing, so you don't wet up the place. Of course, we have our towels for bathing because of coronavirus, so them just be enough to last you for the weekend. Alright. Over here, we have our Jack and Jill things, his and hers. Now I'm me alone in the room. So me can choose if you want me to Jack or if you want me to Jill. Alright, so we have a very big mirror. So we have a very big mirror right here. I really love it. Guys, I'm all about the details. We have a plug right here and we have one over there. So alright guys, so right here we have our shampoo, conditioner, shower gel and our body lotion. We also have a face soap. We also got a shower cap. We have 2 face rags. We have silky soft facial tissue and we have 2 cups. Nice. Right here You have spaces in case you need to put any additional stuff. Alright? Guys, our bathroom is incomplete. Right in the middle of the room, we have the most beautiful tub ever. Guys, this actually can hold 3 people. Not exaggerating. Me call it our show. We that. Alright. Again. Turn it on, guys. It's at work. It's at work. Alright guys, so this is movable. So if you want it closer or whatever, you can put your reading materials on it or your wine glass. Anything. You also have this little chair right here. So if somebody wants to sit down and be there, perfect. Perfect. No, if you want some privacy, if it's not you alone in the room, you have your curtain. You can draw your partition. Also, right here we have curtain along with blinds. So we can actually close off the bathroom to give you full privacy. We also have 2 hooks right here, which are for your robes. Now guys, just reverse with me.
So this is one side of the room. Just reverse.
Now we end up right back at the door. So I'm just going to take you along this side of the room now. Right here we have our closet. Alright guys, so in the closet we have our iron. This is a really nice iron. We have our coffee maker. We got 1 decaf and 1 regular. We have our coffee cups. We have our coffee and tea package. We got 2 bottles of Catherine Speak water. And we also have our safe along with our mini fridge. Now the hotel is not all inclusive, so the mini fridge is not stocked. Over here we have some hangers in case you want to hang up your clothes after you finish ironing. We also have our ironing board. In this drawer we have our hair dryer. We have a Holy Bible. And this is basically if you want any for dry cleaning clothes and stuff like that. They also have that form right here. And then this is an empty drawer down there. But it's really nice. Alright guys, so above the closet we have this very huge serving tray. You actually can bring the food to your room. So if you want to eat on the bed, this comes in very handy. If you want to eat in the bathtub, this comes in very handy. And then when you're finished, you just put the dirty plates outside the room on the tray and they will come and take it up and give you back the tray. So that's really nice. And it's really heavy. Really nice. Let me just close up at the closet. Now we're going to go into the the bedroom. This room is a ocean view, so you will be seeing the ocean. Right here, you know, you have your area where you keep our luggage. Then over here, guys, you actually have the thermostat where you can control the fan speed, the temperature of the AC. This is where you control the ceiling fan, and then here we have some more lights. Alright, so our room or bedroom, guys. Love Squad, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is a king size bed. Let me tell you, the mattress is really nice and firm. You'll get a good sleep, definitely. Alright, right behind the bed, the headboard, it's really nice. It is really nice. Guys, look at that. See them 2 leaves something there? It's also a mirror as well. Guys, it's really nice. Really nice. Really nice. Come along with me. Here, let me just fix it for them. There we go. We have lamps on both sides of the bed. There's a switch right here. Works for you. Right here, you can actually control the room lights if you want them on and off, so you don't have to get up out of bed. Right here, we have a phone. In case you have an emergency, you can just use the phone right here. We also have a wall plug right here in case you need to charge your devices. Over here now, we have this huge flat screen TV, guys. I know you. Make sure you don't watch the videos. Make sure you don't watch the ads. Alright, guys. So right here, we have this domino set. I think this was really cool in case you didn't bring any games. You can play with your friends. Really nice. Them go on with themselves. So you just put back that right here. Right here it also tells you when last the room has been cleaned. So it actually tells you who cleaned it. Opal, big up yourself, the room was clean and the time was 12:30 p.m. So this is really nice. You also have a sign, you know, due to COVID, the rooms will be serviced on request only. So you can dial 0 by 10 a.m. to make your request. We also have another phone. Now this one you can actually press the different numbers and it tells you what and what you want, like if you want the spa, to book an appointment and stuff like that. That's really nice. This desk is also very sturdy. This is where I'll be editing these videos. Also have a chair right here, really good. Now this was really a cool touch. We have a beer bottle with flowers inside, really nice. I actually thought someone left it there, but I realized that it's in every single room. This is so cool. So basically it's a Bob Marley and the Wailers. It's a, what you call them something here? This, call it what them a vinyl record? Turntable. You know? But it says for display only, so we can't play it. On this side of the bed, we have another lamp. We have our plugs. And we also have this alarm clock. Now this alarm clock is not just an alarm clock, guys. It also has a Bluetooth feature. So we can use the Bluetooth to connect it to our phones and, you know, turn up, have fun. That's really good. So guys, we have two couches. We have one on the left and one on the right. I think this hotel is very ideal for couples. If you want your own space, even while you're on vacation, you have your own sinks, you have your own shower heads, you also have your own couches. Let us go outside. It's lit, guys, it's lit. You ready for the reveal? Are you ready? Make sure you turn on your post notification, guys, so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, because especially these travel videos, guys, you know it's lit. Let's go. Don't talk. Woo! Woo! Come along with me. Wow. This nice. Alright guys, so we have two sets of lounge chairs, patio sets, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. We have this table inside so you can put your stuff on while you're out here. And guys, look at the view. Show them the view. Show them the view. Something, guys, it's tropical. I'm talking loud, so of course persons are looking loud. They should know that's expected when they're in a YouTuber. But in a YouTuber. Marshall, you get it into the pool of the top. Stopping by. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications as more hotel videos are coming. It's my birth month, so we're going to celebrate all month long. Alright, see you soon. Bye, Lab Squad.